Hey students, Kevin Wegmaker here, Instructional Technology Consultant for Montcalm Community College. I want to take a moment today to show you how you can easily scan your hard copy documents using the Microsoft OneDrive app and submit them using the Canvas Student app. So for this, you're only going to need two different applications. You're going to need the Microsoft OneDrive app, which is available for an Android and for an iOS device. You're also going to need the student version of the Canvas app, as you can see on my screen here. That's the one with the red icon. And once you do that, you're going to go to your OneDrive app and you're going to sign in using your MCC account. And when you do that, bring that up, you should see any files that you have added to your OneDrive already. And if you haven't added any, that's okay. That's what we're going to do today. So the first thing that you're going to do is that down at the bottom of your screen, you're going to see the camera icon. If you click on that, it's going to bring up your scanner. And you're going to see that I have a document on my desktop here ready to be scanned. But before I do that, you can see that there's some other options down below. So if by chance just a photo or something like that is showing up, you're actually going to want to use the document option. So you can scan on over to that. And just go ahead and make sure that your document is in the frame. You can see by the blue frame. And click on or tap on the take photo icon. And that will begin scanning your document, and you can see that it switched it right to a PDF version. From here, if you need to do any adjustments such as cropping or rotating or add any text or highlights, or maybe you just want to delete that one and start a new one, you can. If you have multiple pages in the bottom left, you can see that there's the option to add new, and that will allow you to scan in multiple pages. So you can see it takes me right back to my camera again. But I don't have a second page that I want to add, so I'm just going to go back to that original one. If for some reason you can't see it very well, you can always adjust your filters to get a better view. You can see that depending on what brings out the best view, you can switch. I think that this black and white one has the best option for me. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next step in the process. Okay, so I tap on my screen again. You can see that there's a big blue button in the bottom right-hand corner that says Done. So that's going to move me to where I can give it a name. You can see it does want to assign it a default name based on the date and the time. But I'm just going to go ahead and call this one Algebra 1. And we'll go with today's date, 11/2. From there, I can choose if I want to add it to a folder that I might already have, or I can simply just go ahead and click to save it. So just like that, I have scanned a hard copy document. It's now in my OneDrive. It's now available on all my different devices. So if I access this from a computer on campus, if I access it from via the web, or if I access it on a laptop that's mine, it's always going to be available as long as I'm in my OneDrive. So let's go ahead and find that document. It made it available for me to open. So now we got to think about how we're going to get it over to the Canvas app, and that's very simple. We're going to click on the menu dots to the right of the document, and from there we're going to make it so it's open in another app. Now we're going to look for the Canvas app. And the nice thing about this is once it brings up the Canvas app, you can add comments. So if you want to add a comment for your instructor, you can. But the most important part is right down below here where it says Course, and that's going to show you all of your courses that you have access to. So you're going to go ahead and find the course. And then you need to locate the assignment within the course. And we'll call it the Math 1 assignment. And now we hit submit. And just like that, we have scanned a hard copy document. That actually scans and uploads as a PDF document. And we got a notification from our student app that it's been submitted. And you should be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions. We're always available to help you out.